everyone, and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm sharing an easy weeknight dinner idea. It's a sheet pan recipe for cashew chicken. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get cooking. First up, we're making the sticky and delicious sauce. So this starts in a medium saucepan with a half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, which is like an Asian sweet and tangy barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I used rice wine vinegar. I love the flavor of that, particularly in Asian dishes, and I had it in my pantry, so I used that. 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, or you could use about 3/4 of a teaspoon of fresh minced ginger if you have that, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch as a thickener, and then I finished with 3/4 of a cup of water to thin the sauce out a little bit. You can whisk this all together to combine and then bring it to a low boil, and once it boils for a couple minutes it'll get really thick, and then you can remove it from the heat and set it aside until you're ready for it. Next, I prepared my sheet pan, so I lined it with aluminum foil and then sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil nonstick spray. Then I chopped up my fresh vegetables, so I had 1 head of broccoli and 1 red bell pepper. Next, I cubed up 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I seasoned the chicken lightly with salt and pepper and then drizzled about half the sauce over top and stirred it around to coat. The chicken bakes for about 8 minutes at 400 degrees, and then you add the veggies on top and the rest of the sauce and toss it all together so it's coated. Then you sprinkle on 1 cup of cashews. I used roasted unsalted cashews here, and then you can put this back in the oven for another 8 to 12 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are cooked to your liking. To garnish this sheet pan cashew chicken, I used a few green onions and just snipped them over the top, and then a sprinkling of sesame seeds. To keep this meal really easy, I made some instant white rice, and I put this into a bowl along with a large helping of the cashew chicken, and it was a delicious, easy dinner. Thank you so much for joining me here today in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon.